Hello, I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man, and I'm with Michelle Tong. Michelle is a solicitor in our private client department, specialising in wills and estate planning. Hello, Michelle.
Hi, Dominic. You okay?
I'm very well, thank you. So just when we thought we couldn't love Captain Sir Tom Moore any more than we already do, he's a national treasure, we then find out that he's donated his body to medical science. My question is it a strange request?
It's not a strange request, actually, Dominic. It's something that we get asked a lot by clients in meetings. People want to do something quite good when they pass away. So it is a request we get quite often. But what people don't realise is that you can't actually put it in the will itself. It's really important that you contact the hospital or the university that you want to donate your body to, and you fill in a consent form and leave that with them, and also a copy with your will beforehand. It's not something you can do after you've passed away. So Sir Tom Moore would have done that during his lifetime and chosen where he wanted his body to go to.
So lots of planning behind that as well. So who do people usually leave their estates to?
So it really depends. I mean, the common ones are spouses, so your husbands, your wives, children is a very common one. But then we get all kind of weird and wonderful requests. So people want to sometimes leave their estate to a cat's home, or actually for the benefit of the pets, or there's all different little charities that people want to inherit, neighbours, friends, and the list goes on, really.
Sounds absolutely fascinating. And when you're speaking to clients, what sort of things do you suggest to them to keep in mind when planning?
So there's a lot of different things to consider when you're writing a will. It's not just as simple as who you want your estate to pass to and in what shares. One of the main things to consider is who's appointed as your executor and trustee. So your executor is the person who administers your estate if you should pass away. It's really important because that person's going to kind of have control of the administration to make sure that the executors get on, that they're quite financially astute, and that they'll follow your wishes entirely. And there's also things to consider that we always advise clients on, such as inheritance tax. That can be payable at 40% to the government above a certain threshold. And so it's really important to do that planning during your lifetime and have that conversation with a professional will solicitor who can give you advice about how to best structure your will.
And I can't think of anybody better to speak to than you, Michelle. Thank you very much for coming on The Inside Man. If you'd like me to introduce you to Michelle, you can contact me, insideman@jmw.co.uk, or call me on 0161 82 81 999. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.